Hello friends, welcome to the Financial Research channel. As we review second video, a one-page review. Today we will talk about the XR Web projects one-page review. XR Web Earth Digital Layer, XR Token, Cryptographic Currency, and power the XR Web and enables the holder to market size, augment and virtual reality while growing XR token, growing market liquidity, technology, transparency, and decentralization web 3.0 ecosystem. How it work? Gets XR token, join the XR economy, receives revenue shares, trade uh, by exchange, distribution of tokens, token name, Coving XR, ticker XR, and XR Explorer, XR browser coming soon, Google Pay and application store, XR estate leaser and roadmap and team and advisor. When I look at the team and roadmap of the XR web projects, I can say following. First of all, a project team is good for that project. The work of the team expertise is well and presentations is good and effects. And partners and media Mtbtt via NVIDIA Civic Intel. Uh, Another one-page review and blockchain is distribution database that therefore with this simulator video.